In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Lift straight up on the engine cover and remove it. We're going to remove the connector from our ignition coil. Push right on the top, pull straight back. That's our release tab right there. Push on it with your thumb. Using a 10mm socket, loosen and remove both bolts. Pull straight out and remove the ignition coil. Install the coil. Get the bolts started by hand. Snug down the bolts for the coil. Torque the ignition coil bolts to 5 foot-pounds. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the engine cover into place. Push it down and it'll drop into its grommets and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.